in my adventures with card making, there have been few tools that I've really loved. This is going to be one of the ones that I've really loved, and I've used this. You can see on my plate that I've used it several times. It's kind of, you know, a little cloudy. Now what I did do is I took a piece of packaging and taped it on my base so that I wouldn't get ink everywhere. I really do love this though. Here are some of my examples. Now, I'm no colorist. I just like to play around with my watercolors. But here's a couple that I have pressed, and this is the one that actually comes with the machine when you order it. So I did get a few letterpress plates, and I know that you can foil with these, and I have. And I really enjoy these. So I have this big flower one. I'm going to see if I can find the names, because I can't, off the top of my head, remember what they were. So the big one is, oh, what is it? The sunflower border. And this is a big plate. I mean, it's big. It's massive. Like, it's bigger than my hand. But it has so much detail to it. So I got that one. I also got a little message sentiments, which are these down here. So you can press these or foil those, and then you have the coordinating dies to cut them out. And like I said, this one came with my Better Press when I purchased it. And it has the, to my favorite person. And then I got this little skull guy because I love Halloween. I love Halloween. I don't make enough Halloween cards, but I do love Halloween. So I also got the spiderweb press plate as well. And I did foil with this guy. And it came out so nice and so crisp. I've never had foiling come out so nicely before than with these plates. So this guy is called Open If You Dare. And that's what he looks like. And I really, like I said, I'm really enjoying the Better Press system. I mean, I can't wait to get more plates for this. It's super easy to use. I did pick up a few of the colored inks. Let's see. Let me get them out for you guys. And it also comes with their yellow tape, which I've never used before having this. And I really like this tape. So we have the Tiger, the Teal Topaz, Azure, and Peridot. So they all stamp pretty, you know, they all stamp really nicely, but this for me is kind of a game changer on how I watercolor because it just makes such a nice impression into the paper. So I would say if you're on the fence about it and you do, you know, really want those impressed images on your cards, get it. Absolutely get it. I am not affiliated with anybody. This is just for me buying this with my own money and trying to decide if this was something that I really wanted to, you know, venture into, because there's so many aspects of card making that, you know, not everybody has all the tools. So if you're able to get it and get it at a discount, I know there was a couple places that had them on sale. I'll have to go back and look and see if I can find which sites had them. I believe I ordered this guy from Amazon, from the Spellbinders store. But yeah, I really enjoy using this, and I use this way more often than even my foil system. So I'm a huge fan, and now that I have these plates, I feel like I will be using my foil system a lot more than what I was before, because it just, the impression it gave was so nice. Like, I was ecstatic when I seen it, how it pressed into the paper. Oh, here's the foil of the spider web. Now, I didn't really use like a super shiny foil, but it really foiled so nicely. And I can't wait to foil the sentiments, because I feel like they're just going to be really, they're just going to foil so nicely. So yeah, if you've been on the fence about the Better Press and you enjoy watercoloring like I do, like, do not use your alcohol markers with these inks, because it will just smear it. I made that mistake and it was not pretty. But yeah, if you've been on the fence about it and you really want those really nice details and you also foil, get it. It's one of the best purchases I've made so far this year, besides my Impress. which I'll talk about that in a different video. So yeah, let me know what you guys' thoughts are on the Better Press. Have you used it? Do you have any tips or tricks for it? Because as of right now, I don't really have a whole lot of tips and tricks other than the tape and using the stamp packaging to protect my plate underneath here. One thing that it did come with that I didn't realize was supposed to be in there are these plastic shims. I had no idea what they were for, and I just set them to the side, and then I realized, oh, they go on the bottom of my Better Press. And it's nice that it magnets like right down. I mean, it really like holds on there. Like I have to like slide them off to get them off. So like I said, this is one of the best purchases I've made so far this year. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on it, and I'll see you guys next time.